Hello, everybody. We're here at Wild Adventures at the Splash Island, the water park here at the theme park. Today's kind of an overcast day. It's been cloudy and then bright, that cloudy and bright. But you see it's open from 11 to 7. The rest of the theme park is open from 10 to 9. So a little bit shorter operating hours here at the water park. We're going to go ahead and head in and take a look around.
I was here in October when they had the island. They had all this range and attractions. We pretty much had a buckle, but is there somewhere where we're going to be able to put our phones and stuff? Yeah, they had all this.
Okay, if you see a mannequin in the water, don't be alarmed.
Poor baby.
Yeah.
What? I'm definitely going to be alarmed. That's creepy.
Yeah. Now here you can rent some lockers to put your stuff in. Rent it from here. It looks like family size is $16 for the day. Large is $12 and small is $10. But we are going to go over here to where the cabanas are, because we have rented a cabana for the day. The cabanas are $125 for the day. Yeah, the way I'm going, yeah. Maybe she shouldn't walk out to the car again. Alright, these are the cabanas right here. We're going to go in here and check in and find out which one we have. Alright, we're in the Cabana Village here. This is one of the cabanas here. The cabanas, like I said, rent for $125 for the day on the weekends. I think they're $100 a day on the weekdays. But pretty nice. You're inside of this area here. Each of the cabanas has got a satellite TV, a little refrigerator, little locker you can put your stuff in, a couple lounge chairs, tables and chairs. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna take a little walk around the park here and see a few things.
What is your position? We don't know where y'all live. We're going to have to wait in line for anything.
This one looks like a really fun ride. I haven't gone on this one yet. Yeah, that one looks fun. I think it's called the Hakini Rapids or Kona Cliff, one or the other. Let's see. I think it's Kona Cliff. Now they do have other chairs, like here we got this area, we got all of these loungers here. And all of these loungers are free, but they're first come, first serve, and they don't have any secure space. You have to rent you a locker if you want secure space. This is Hana Bay kiddie slides, so slides for the little fellas, for the little kids. And of course, there's the lazy river we were on earlier. It winds its way through the whole park here, the whole water park.
No, don't put it on your back.
No, it feels great. I already have a cold.
Here's the wave pool. Yet again, it's got lounge chairs there out in front. The Surfside Cafe. This is the only restaurant here in the water park. They do have a barbecue takeout. It's just a little barbecue grill right near the entrance. But this is the only one that is actually a sit down place where you can buy some food and sit down.
Yeah, he's here. He went that way. With some
Well, you got to go get you a different dog, baby.
Kalani Blaster. That's that one right there. They've got a pretty good line going for it. Mm-hmm. Bonsai Pipeline. All right, well that one's pretty tall there. The Wahi Cyclone. Huh. Now when you go down. Well, that looks like quite a line there too. Ooh.
Right there. Holy crap, it's at the bottom.
What are they?
It is. I always start to go down it. He wants to. Did you like it? It was fun.
You don't get up.
All right, you have a couple of stores here. Here's the barbecue place I was telling you about. All you can do is buy stuff here and take it away. There's not a place here to eat. And as you can see here, smoked turkey legs, pulled pork sandwich, smoked sausage, peppers, and then some drinks. Alright, well, we are back where we started here. Here is the entrance and the exit to the splash part, the water park. There is one more water ride, but it is actually right over here to our left. But to get to it, you have to go outside of the water park. Outside of the water park and to your left. Alrighty, well that was the water park here at Wild Adventures in Valdosta, Georgia. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them down below or shoot me a message. Thanks for watching. Take care.